Hello everyone. Today I am going to present you our app that is called an OffAT. We are a team from University Brunei Darussalam and we developed this app in University Brunei Darussalam under Research and Innovation and Office. This is an app that works in chat in airplane mode, that doesn't use any mobile internet or any Wi-Fi hotspot, and the app is very much available at Google Play Store, and our website is offat.myupt.com. So you can download the app from the Google Play Store, and I am going to demonstrate this app via the screenshots which are very much available at our website, which is offat.myupt.com. So this is our first screenshot where you can enter your username and password, username and your dynamic interest. So we developed this app basically to find the nearby users that have similar interests as you may be having, and without sharing your without sharing your email ID or phone number. So this is the first screen where you can enter your username and just choose a username. You can select any name, you can change at any time, and then you can enter, for example, I have added social and need medicine. I may need some medicine for my headache or something, for blood pressure. So when you click the submit button, your name and interest will be broadcasted to the nearby region. For example, you can see this icon. So you can see user2 with hashtag social name and need medicine. So this will be broadcasted to the nearby users. When you click this icon, which is just end, you will see the discovery process will be started. It will take up to 30 seconds, and in a 30 second you will be displayed that how many users are near with that may have other interests. For example, user 1 has interest like OffAT and social. So your interests are social and need medicine, and another user may have OffAT and social. So you can see that okay, this user may be interested to you, but we have a plan to here to visually identify that green color may be for the user that have matched interest, and yellow color may be for different map, and we have plans to demonstrate users of the map as well. So when you click this icon to connect, the request will be sent to the other person, for example in this case to the user 1, and once that person, the person has a choice to accept or decline. So but once it accepts your request, then your status will become connected. So it's a 3-step process: one, available, invited, and then connected. So once you are connected, you will be shown your role, whether you are a client or server. If you are server, then you can ask other members to connect to you, and you can facilitate the group chat as well. So if you have a client role, then you can always click this icon to come into this screen. So this screen allows you to exchange your messages as well as you can exchange your handwritten notes. So what we have done in this case is what we are doing is that we are facilitating users so that you can see on a map which other users are similar to your interest, so that this communication, which is an offline communication, can strengthen your relationship. Because a lot of the time we go to the conferences, we go to the international fairs, and we see people, but we don't know with whom we are meeting these people, or whether there is similar interest people nearby or not. So this is just it will give you notification, and if you like actually each other, it can help you to maintain the business relationship. You can maintain your Facebook or maybe Twitter or LinkedIn relationship. We have filed 2 patents in this case. Our first patent is on this profile matching algorithm that helps to build a relationship, how to match the profile. And we also solved this problem like how to connect, how to broadcast your interest, because unless you share something like phone number, unless you have phone number or email ID, you cannot broadcast your interest to even nearby users. So we have solved this problem. You can just click the submit button and your information will be broadcast in the nearby region. And the second patent that we are working on this case is that offline internet mode. What will happen in the future version is that we will be launched by maybe in October next year. In that version, what will give you is the internet as a backup. So once you have this app, so you're then free from whether the user is nearby or not. The app will take care of those things. If the user is nearby, then that app your message will be sent to the nearby user without any data connection, whether you are in a home network or you are an international network or you are at some other location. But if the user is not connected, you can always, the app will take care of that, and the message will be sent through our servers. So we'll have a server where the message will be stored as other social networking apps. And what other things what we have planned in the premium version, but in the premium version what you are going to do currently, this interface allows you to send the text messages. For example, they click this icon and you can always click this icon to do the hand drawings and other things. You can send your handwritten notes as well, but what we will be doing is we will be sharing, we will give you an option here to share your files, to share your images, to share your videos and audio and all other things. Currently what happens in this is that when you draw this, it creates a file and it sends the file. So file sharing is already there, but it is not that we are not allowing you to send the image sharing as a file or PDF sharing. Only thing is that it's a matter of some time that we will include this and we will launch this as a premium version.